Presenting our officials for this match. First referee, Mr. Jess Villarreal, National Referee. Second referee, Mr. Adrian Tabanyag, International Referee. Let's call on our starting lineup from Our Lady Chiefs of Arellano University. Let's start off with jersey number 5, Rhea Maris Ramirez. At number 8, Menchi Tubiera. Number 14, Dana Henson. Number 16, Shirley Salamagos. Number 18, Jovelyn Prado. And their team captain, number 17, Christine Joy Rosario. Libero, number 9, Jan Eunice Galang. Head coach, Mr. Roberto Javier. Calling on our Lady Radicals of the Polytechnic University of the Philippines. Let's start with jersey number 2, Yula May Alvaro. At number 8, Micah Angela Quintana. Wearing jersey number 13, Syra Jane Romo. Team captain, number 9, Crystal Cinderet Madrinico. Guest player, jersey number 1, Lourdes Clemente. Guest player, jersey number 7, Fritz Joy Gallianero. Libero, number 11, Rina Rebustillo. Head coach, Mr. Wendell Padilla. This is match number 6.
Ito ang kupunan ng PUP as we get the action rolling. Dito po sa San Juan Arena, ang labanan ng itong dalawang kupunan na ito, both champions in their respective leagues. As we mentioned kanina, itong Arellano, the reigning NCAA champions. Ito naman kupunan ng PUP coming from the SCUAA, or matasabi natin the Schools, Colleges, the State Colleges and Universities Association, the SCUAA. They won the NCR championship. They went on to win the national championship. So this is a pretty decorated squad as well.
So in today's game, really, even if we don't really know Polytechnic University with that behind them, the championship, we know that this is going to be a good game.
Well, of course, Arellano, kilala na po natin yan as we open the first set with the serve from Menchi Tubiera. As we are underway dito, Romo sending it up. Quintana ngayon with a short shot. Ramirez, who is seeing her first action dito para sa kupunan ng Arellano. And there is Lourdes Clemente. We will see a lot of that from her.
How old is Lourdes Clemente?
She's 20 years old and still a student of University of Perpetual Health. So ito si Lourdes Clemente, of course, national team member na rin yan. I've covered her games before. She has very long arms and knows how to use them. Ito kayo ng kanilang kapitana, Madrinico. Cristel Madrinico on the serve. Menchi Tubiera galing sa likod. Kept alive there by PUP. Back set ngayon, and that one is going to go long. Para naman dito kay Syra Romo. So tied at 1 right now. So ito maganda dalawang kampiyon na naglalaban dito.
And we don't really know where they stand there. That's why today's game is really going to be very interesting.
And the set for Clemente was different from that she expected there. Gusto mo rin sa PUP, maaga pala naangiti. They have a crowd with them dito. I don't know which is more fans, itong Arellano o itong PUP dito sa ating venue.
Arellano kasi may drums.
That's right. Dinig na dinig sila. Here's Romo going long. Kanina nung hitting practice, parang ihina po palo nitong PUP. Ito yung lalakas ng palo nila. Pinago nila.
Ano lang, warm-up lang.
Right. So 3-1 in favor of Arellano. And the serve ngayon para dito kay Rhea Ramirez. So I believe it's a freshman sa grupong ito. And that one will work for Romo. So if Arellano has a Dana Henson, dito naman sa PUP, meron sila Syra Romo.
And if makita natin palaban siya. She had a couple of errors pero bumawi.
Right. Here's Lourdes Clemente. 6'1" student out of the Perps with a strong serve.
Too strong.
4-2 Arellano. There's Captain CJ Rosario, whose older brother Troy Rosario is about to turn pro sa basketball. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. That's a power tip there. And that one is going to work para naman dito kay Micah Quintana.
A lot of fans, really.
So again, we know nothing. I've never covered PUP before. And this will be a treat para sa ating lahat. We're discovering them as they go along.
Well, Arellano, so far, opting not to use their guest players.
Not yet at this point. Oh. Ramirez on the set. Actually, this Ramirez who is setting now instead of Angelica Legacion. Dana Henson, paramdam na.
Oo.
Ano ba tinawag natin dito dati? Maganda-ganda na yung kanyang nickname dati. Oh. So, maalala rin natin yan maya-maya.
Basta part siya ng team ko na payat. Yung sobrang payat.
Yung mga paghinipan ng hangin sa kabilang barangay na makuha. Ganun. But she is a very powerful hitter. Quintana sends that one across. Ramirez on the setup now para kay Shirley Salamagos. And again, Ramirez, the freshman, getting the start. Para din sa kuturan ng Arellano, head of Angelica Legacion.
But you know, early on here in the collegiate conference of the V-League, you'll see that the coaches tend to try to shuffle the players, giving everyone the feel of the venue.
Well, Ateneo is one example of that as we have a service ace from Dana Henson. 7-3 Arellano. Of course, Ateneo in their first match against UST. Walang Gia Morado. Actually, Gia Morado is not even in the lineup. No Michelle Morente. No Eliza Valdez.
Really? Not in the lineup?
Well, Morente is not in the lineup. Neither is eto si Gia Morado. So, let's see what kind of experiment how it's going to work out for the Lady Eagles. They did win that opening encounter against UST in 4 sets. Here's Gallinero across. Ramirez on the setup for Menchi Tobiera. Power move by Tobiera does not work. No check ball. Puntos yun para sa PUP.
Oh. But a player will always ask for a check.
Oh, yan naman yung lipstick ni Menchi Tobiera na. Diba? It's a staple already for her. Samantala, serving ngayon, Syra Romo. Yan ang panapat nila kay Dana Henson.
Oh, exactly. I had that in mind also.
Reception by Henson. Ramirez. Galing sa likod. Ang tira nito si Bravo. Kamake that itong si Prado. Tubiera. De Bustillo keeping that one alive. Free ball coming up from Gallinero. Ramirez. Ay. Well, Ramirez wanted to do a lot of things. Unang-una, ibato kay Tubiera. At the same time, quick sana kay Salamagos or itatawid. Diba?
Lahat ng option.
Na-confuse.
Multiple choice ba ito?
Nangyari na double. Daming iniisip. 7-5 ang ating score. Romo on the serve once again, and that goes long. So Arellano will take a 3-point lead into our first technical timeout of set number 1. Diyan lang po kayo. Kami po ay magbabalik. Balikan po natin na aksyon dito po sa Shakey's V-League right here at the San Juan Arena. Airing schedules po natin on GMA News TV. Live na po tayo tuwing Sabado at Linggo at 12:55 and at 12:45. And of course, Monday and Thursday at 1 p.m. po ang ating airing schedule. Bato natin ngayon kay Miss Cavite, Ivy Remulla.
Thank you, Noel. This would be the first time that these two teams will be facing each other in a competition. Previously, nagtatagpo lang silang dalawa sa mga tune-up matches. Before the start of the game, I was able to talk to Coach Obet Javier of the Arellano Lady Chiefs. At sabi niya that they have focused on defense during their training because they see PUP to be a team na malagay daw sa atake. On the other side of the court, seeing action for the first time in Shakey's V-League, itong Lady Rebels, and they're very excited for the opportunity to be able to gain more experience from the league. Although they had only 2 weeks to prepare, Coach Wendell said that they have nothing to lose and they just need to play with heart and to always think that they're not playing for the name but for the PNP community. Noel and Noreen?
Well, tingnan natin if PUP can actually get that done. Samantala, on the errant reception, hindi na itawid yan. Ito si Madrinico.
But we have to clear, ano ba, Lady Rebels?
Radicals sila. Radicals. Lady Radicals sila, Ivy. So, Radicals, Rebels, parang ano pa rin eh. Kailangan palaban pa rin eh.
Oo nga eh.
Free ball coming up from Romo. Galang. Sending it to Ramirez. Itinawid na naman. Yan ang gusto niyang gawin kanina. Sabi sa Lamago, sige nga, ulitin mo nga yan. Shirley, hindi pa rin nakakuha ng bola. Menchi Tobiera does though.
Good dig.
And that goes to the side of Arellano. Ramirez going to Tobiera once again. Down the line. Works for Menchi.
Finally, she gets a legitimate kill.
Tubiera now gives them their biggest lead of the match. It's an ultra-fast spike brought to us by PLDT Home Ultera, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. To Jovelyn Prado.
Good serve.
Good reception there coming from Quintana. Set up ngayon para kay Gallinero. Ramirez on the quick, papunta kay Salamagos. Galing sa likod, Romo. Habol si Ramirez. Prado tumira galing likod. Combination play, Gallinero turned back and that will score for Shirley Salamagos.
Yeah, coverage wasn't there for PUP.
And a timeout will be called here for PUP. All of a sudden, naging 7 kalamangan dito ng Lady Chiefs. So, adjustment lang sa posisyonan. Napupuntusan sila na napupuntusan itong kupunan ng Arellano at hindi naman kalakasan din yung mga ibang palo nitong Arellano.
Oh.
So, 12-5. Hindi tayo nagkakarinigan dito na rin. Because it's the official ball of the Shakey's V-League and that serve falls short from Jovelyn Prado. So, to serve ngayon, etong si Yula May Alvaro. So Alvaro now to put it in play, down by 6.
Oh, too strong.
Lakas. Again, first time mo rito sa Shakey's V-League, you're going to feel a little bit of tension, pero once it wears out, especially that match that we covered between TIP, Technological Institute of the Philippines, first timer sa Shakey's V-League, nadali na silang 2 sets doon sa Lasal Dasmariñas and then they came back and won the next 3. So uminit lang sila sa bandang dulo. As Clemente barely gets that one across. Prado sending it to Tubiera. And not a good dig coming from Romo.
That's right. She took her eye off the ball. A shot there by Romo.
Salamagos to serve once again. You can see the future Philippine volleyball. Ang tatangkad na ng mga player na to. Salamagos 6'1", Clemente 6'1". And Rosario is about 6 feet tall as well. Ramirez goes to Rosario. And Rosario touches the net.
Yeah, she knew it.
CJ Rosario, she wears the same number as her brother Troy. Troy played for NU nung college, now turning pro in a few months or in a few weeks.
You love the stories of the family of athletes.
Here's Quintana. Hinulog, inangat naman niya ni Rosario. Prado, galing likod. And a dunk over there does not work. Clemente turned back there. Quintana. A single block from CJ. Clemente. Nahawakan pa rin ni CJ.
Good rally we're having.
Ramirez. Tubiera. Daga by Romo. Still kept alive. Here's Quintana. Again Rosario, but another net violation on CJ.
Very sharp of referee Adrian Tabanyan.
Yan. Pinabantayan yan eh, mababa. CJ Rosario again, very tall at 6 feet tall. Angelica Legacion comes in to see her first action. Yan ang veteran setter na nila.
Yes.
So Ramirez will take a seat for the moment. Legacion, dump over. Instant results para kay Legacion.
Legacion telling Ramirez and Madrininco. Ganito ang pag-score.
15-8. Tubiera in the back now to serve. They set up Quintana once again. This time tries to dump it with the left hand. Angelica Legacion too near the net. Nagkabanggaan doon and another net violation against Arellano.
Boy, they have... Ilan na yan? Mga 3.
Tatlo na yata yan. Sunod-sunod halos. Madrininco now to serve para sa PUP.
Good serve.
Legacion, iniwan para kay Rosario. No problem pag walang blocker para kay CJ. 16-9 para sa Arellano Lady Chiefs here in the first set. We'll be back. Stay with us. Sites on Facebook and on Instagram. Follow that. At eto mga kaibigan, 16-9. Arellano up by 7. Syra Romo. Angelica Legacion. Dana Henson.
Back in front.
And the Bustillo, the freshman, keeping that one alive. Quintana denied once again by Prado. Quintana over the defense. Henson setting up. Prado. Malakas.
Sayang yan, but you know, the blocking of Arellano working well for them.
Speaking of blocking, here's one of the queens of that. In her days in UST, Lilet Mabayat, guest player, seeing her first action of the game.
So who's gonna be middle?
Pareho ba sa CJ Sara pa?
Oh.
Magsa-spiker ito.
Oh.
Itong mag-opener itong si Lilet. And CJ, pati yung PUP yata iniisip lang. Okay, pinasok yung Mabayat. Sino yung quick?
Oo nga eh.
Dito linabot na ito si Rosario. Rosario will be lifted. And Carino will see her first action of the game. Nika Carino, serve specialist / extra libero.
Good defense yan for Arellano.
yeah. And Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. So Nika Carino, I remember there was a match he served like through 5 straight points, a crucial part. Naghahabol sila. As Syra Romo scores.
Wow, and you know, that was through Mabayad and Salamangos.
Sabi, oy, malamig pa si ate,
Ate Lilet.
Oh, pwede pa. 17-11. Arellano up by 6. Serving ngayon, etong si Micah Quintana.
Good serve.
Legacion, running attack ngayon. Shirley Salamagos will miss. Pero teka muna, net violation din.
Ano naman?
Dami na sa net violation itong Arellano. That's gonna drive Obet Javier crazy.
Yep.
So Quintana once again, 5 na lang po ang abante rito ng Arellano. Legacion, Salamagos.
Nilayunan niya sa net.
Oo, sure na. Shirley Salamagos ups it to a 6-point lead once again. Dana Henson. Isipin mo nga ako ni Monica nito dati.
Oo nga eh.
Di ba? Gallanero. Oh, nice drop in for the former St. LaSalle player.
Oh, very smart. You know, you love it when players like that, they have great court sense. They know where the whole of the opponent's defense
Right.
is.
Syra Romo. Down by 5. Itong kupunan ng PUP. New libero in also for the Lady Radicals. Pinasok na si Laika Tenorio, seeing her first action as Lilet Mabayad will miss.
Yep. Still trying to get the feel.
Oh. So 18-14. Ito na ang PUP.
Romo.
No relation to Tony Romo, of course, the star quarterback of the San Francisco 49ers. Legacion. Oh, Benchi Tobiera, baon na baon.
Going down the line there.
So 19-14. What you like about Coach Wendell Padilla and the rest of PUP as we take our friends from Shakey's? If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Parati sila nakangiti.
Oh.
Para let's soak in the experience muna dito sa first set. Pero lumaban din tayo. Sabi ni Gallanero, naglaro na ako dito dati, no?
Oh. Hindi ako kasama.
Hindi ako kasama dyan. Alvaro. Legacion. Across. Tubiera. Yes. Benchi on target now.
Yes.
20-14.
Yeah, yung angle niya, mahirap talaga kunin. Eh.
Right. Lilet Mabayad. The veteran. Masasabi natin talaga, been there, done that na yan si Mabayad. And Gallanero able to get it back.
Oh, Gallanero's been getting points also for PUP.
Right. You have to remember that she played in that St. LaSalle squad that played here a few years ago. The likes of the Aplasca sisters, sila Beauty Denila, nandun, April Rosing Pitt, Pati Orendain, of course, in that lineup as well. Janice Dolar, that's Cathy Abayon, a very good lineup para kay Coach Roger Banzuela, and she was part of that. Samantala, another power strike coming from Menchi Tubiera na walang humpay. And ito ngayon, Lane Sagun seeing her first action. Lane Sagun is still a student, ano?
I think so.
Yeah, Lane Sagun is still a regular. She first played for the National University as lumipat sa Arellano. Same thing with Dana Henson, first played for FEU.
But I think Sagun's also suited up with Cagayan. No?
Oh, yes. Last conference. And that is a delayed quick for the very long Lourdes Clemente. So 21-16. 4 na puntos lang kailangan dito ng Arellano, pero pumapalag pa rin ang Lady Radicals of PUP. Back set ngayon. Tubiera, strike anywhere si Menchi ngayon, ano?
In the zone.
Ay, nasa likod na. Sabi ng PUP, okay, titigil na siya, nasa likod. Lumipat si Enzo naman sa harapan.
Tayo naman, sabihin
Ganun
ko.
Tubiera shanks the serve. Nung gusto mo rito kay Tubiera, good and bad, isa lang itsura niya, no?
Oo.
She makes a point, does not smile. Makes a service error, does not smile.
Ano ba si Raisa, si...
Parang Pao Soriano, actually.
Si Banadera.
Oh, Raisa mate. Sasa, di Banadera.
Raisa
Bell. Point once again para dito sa Arellano. Courtesy of Nika Carino, and another timeout para sa PUP. 2 puntos na lang kailangan na Lady Chiefs. Just looking at our notes here, PUP actually has 5 freshmen in their lineup. One of them being their libero. Etong si Rina Rebustillo. So these are the players to look out for. Actually, among the freshmen, si Rebustillo lang is the only one in the starting lineup.
So you gotta love the recruitment, really, of all these teams.
Right. Clemente, di pa nagpaparamdam dito. Galang, sending it up. Nika Carino. Negoro Quintana. Turned back there by Mabayan. Di daw tinawid.
Hindi. Good call.
So 7 set points now for Arellano. And Angelica Legacion, who came off the bench today, serving for the set.
Of course, Legacion played for
Dito rin. Arellano rin.
last conference.
Oo nga, no?
Meralco.
Laro sa Meralco, you're right. Good block point there para kay Lilet Mabayad, and that ends the first set in favor of the reigning NCAA champions, Arellano University. 25-17 ang naging istorya doon. Shake and play. It was just a matter of time before Lilet Mabayad gets involved in the defense.
Wala pa si Aganon.
Wala pa nga. We'll see Mina Aganon perhaps in our second set. We'll have that for you sa amin pong pagbabalik.